Hey there, creative minds! Welcome back to AppInsight AI, your ultimate destination for exploring the incredible power of AI in content creation. I'm Amelia, and today, I'm thrilled to guide you through how to create animated cartoon story videos with AI. Why should you dive into animated video creation? Here's why. Highly engaging. Animated content captivates audiences and keeps them hooked. Widely versatile. Perfect for storytelling, education, or marketing campaigns. Profitable potential. Animated videos perform exceptionally well on platforms like YouTube, where engaging content gets rewarded. Take inspiration from the YouTube channel Bible in a nutshell. They've mastered the art of AI-generated animated videos, uploading 136 stories, attracting 216,000 subscribers, and earning around $5,700 monthly. With the tools we'll explore today, you can follow in their footsteps. Here's the game plan. We'll use ChatGPT for scripting, ElevenLabs for voiceovers, Leonardo AI for visuals, and pixverse AI for animation. All the tool links are in the description. Ready? Let's jump in. Step 1. Crafting the perfect script with ChatGPT. Every great animated video begins with a strong script. For this, we'll use ChatGPT, a smart and intuitive AI writing assistant. Here's the process. Open ChatGPT, link in the description. Input a simple prompt. Here's we will use this prompt for our video. Write a 100-word story about a beautiful white panda in the jungle for a YouTube video. Also, write an image prompt for each scene. In moments, ChatGPT delivers a well-crafted story with detailed scene prompts for visuals. Pro tip: ChatGPT lets you adjust tone and style, so feel free to modify the script to match your content goals, be it entertaining, educational, or inspiring. Once your script is finalized, let's give it a voice. Step 2. Adding a human touch with ElevenLabs voiceovers. The magic of any story lies in how it's told, and a good voiceover can make all the difference. Enter ElevenLabs, a tool that provides lifelike AI-generated voiceovers. Here's how to get started. Open ElevenLabs in the Google Chrome, link in the description, and sign up for their free trial. Click on text-to-speech. Choose your voice. You can filter by language, accent, gender, and age. Now here's a cool feature: listening to voice samples.
Hi there, I'm Archie. If you're after a young, energetic, and authentic British teen voice, then I'm here to help.
The eye sees only what the mind is prepared to comprehend.
I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high o'er vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils.
We have committed the golden rule to memory. Let us now commit it to life.
Let's explore a few options together and pick the one that best fits our script. For this project, I'll go with Alexander Kensington, a British male voice. After selecting the voice, paste your ChatGPT script into the text box and hit Generate Speech. And boom! Here's our professional quality voiceover. Let's give it a listen.
Deep in the heart of a lush jungle, a rare and beautiful white panda roams freely.
Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Once satisfied, download the file. Now, let's create the visuals. Step 3. Creating stunning visuals with Leonardo AI. Now it's time to visually bring our story to life using Leonardo AI. This tool generates beautiful, high-quality images from text prompts. Here's the step-by-step process. Open Leonardo AI, link in the description, and sign up for a free account. You'll get 150 credits. Set the canvas ratio to 16:9. Perfect for YouTube videos. Paste the first image prompt from your ChatGPT script and click Generate. Leonardo AI will provide 4 image options. Pick the one that resonates best with your story. Repeat this for each scene. Pro tip: for a cohesive look, stick to a consistent visual style throughout your project. Once all images are ready, let's transform them into animations. Step 4. Turning images into animated videos with pixverse AI. With our visuals ready, it's time to add motion using pixverse AI. This tool animates your images to create engaging video clips. Here's how. Sign up for pixverse AI and claim your 60 free credits. Upload the first image, which was generated from Leonardo AI. Add a relevant animation prompt from ChatGPT's descriptions. Select V2. 5 for animation style and set the duration to 10 seconds. Click Create and let pixverse AI do its magic. Repeat this for all your scenes. And don't forget to download the final animations. We need to repeat this process for all the image prompt scenes generated by ChatGPT. Pro tip: if you see watermarks, overlay your logo or use free watermark removal tools to keep your video professional. Step 5. Editing the final video in Filmora. Now that we have our voiceover and animated clips, it's time to bring everything together in a video editor. I recommend Filmora, but any editor you're comfortable with works just fine. Import all media files, voiceovers, animated clips, and background audio into Filmora. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline and align it with the animated clips. Add sound effects from the YouTube audio library to enhance the atmosphere. For our Panda in the Jungle theme, I'll include sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves. Make final adjustments like transitions, text overlays, or color corrections. Once the editing is done, it's time to preview the video. Let's watch the finished project together and see how it turned out.
Deep in the heart of a lush jungle, a rare and beautiful white panda roams freely, its fur gleaming in the soft sunlight that filters through the trees. The panda, with its striking snowy coat, moves gracefully through the dense foliage, its serene presence captivating all who glimpse it. Birds sing from the treetops, and colourful flowers bloom around the panda's path. As it pauses by a crystal-clear stream, the panda dips its paw into the water, creating ripples that shimmer in the golden light. It's a moment of pure tranquility, a rare gift from nature.
Looks amazing, right? The combination of AI tools makes it look so professional and effortless. Before we wrap up, let me share some final tips to make your animated videos even more impactful. Number 1. Batch your content. Plan multiple videos at once to streamline the creation process. Number 2. Create catchy thumbnails. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers notice. Make it eye-catching. Number 3. Engage your audience. Encourage comments, likes, and shares to build community engagement. Number 4. Optimize for SEO. Use strategic keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags to boost visibility. Number 5. Experiment fearlessly. Try different styles, genres, or themes to keep your content fresh and exciting. And there you have it. Creative minds. With tools like ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Leonardo AI, and pixverse AI, you can create stunning animated cartoon videos with ease. If this tutorial inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more exciting tips and tutorials from AppInsight AI. Get creative, stay curious, and share your projects with us in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy storytelling!